Hello folks, let's welcome back. The question of the day 3. Of course, I'm just telling day 1 and day 2, but uh, people have little lazy in a day, they can learn one question, but let it be. I'm just mentioning day 3, probably it might come day 1 and day 2 or anything. Which of the following documents created with reference to billing? This is the question. Please note it down. See, all these questions are, it will build you that confidence. Small questions can open up in interview, or else sometimes what happens, they don't give multiple options. This is specifically I'm doing for, who wanted to do their certification preparation for SD or S4 HANA. Okay. Slowly, we'll get into that one question by question, learning by learning. Okay, I don't believe in overnight success. Okay, so you see, all these are the options: written order, sales order, debit memo, invoice list, credit memo, invoice correction request, and all these are the options you have. So you do one thing: choose a right option and reply in comments. What I wanted to say is, it will build that confidence and that thought process to work in real time also. That's where this multiple questions comes into picture for beginners. Of course, experienced people, they know everything, but I'm experienced, I'm still learning. It depends on their choice, whoever got good experience. Okay, so I'll be back once few people answered what could be the answer for this question. Okay, it's a bit tricky question. It's not like previous question. Only one option is there, carefully choose it. Okay. Okay, or else choose it, we'll see. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so this is where, like, you'll have the content to watch on SAP SD and S4 HANA, sometimes some integration. Probably I'll come back with more things in future. Okay, so I'm just waiting for your reply. Okay, this is my Udemy profile and I have a lot of courses to go through it. If you're really interested, I'm just providing these links below of this video. Someone want it to enhance their knowledge, please get into that. I'm just adding this question also over there. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Great time ahead. Jai Hind.